Welcome back to the Testnet Show. I'm your host, Patrick Skinner, and in today's episode, Forward Research throws in 20K more in available bounties in the Hack the Weave hackathon hosted by Weavers. Developer DAO teams up with Forward Research to give 10K in bounties for the Weavers hackathon, and then things are starting to really heat up with the blackjack game that we announced last week. Also, last but not least, you can now launch meme frames in AO. Let's get into the machine. An additional 20K in bounties are now available in the Hack the Weave hackathon. All of the new bounties are in relation to building with AO. The 4 bounties include building a full stack permaweb app powered by AO, building indexers and or LLMs, building a graphical user interface for the AO effect game, and last but not least, the meme frame challenge, in which we'll discuss more about meme frames at the end of this video. Next up, an exclusive bounty pool of $10,000 will now be made available to the Developer DAO members during the Hack the Weave hackathon. There are 2 categories within this exclusive bounty: a $7,000 bounty pool for the best video education content, and then a $3,000 bounty pool for the best X thread. Details about the bounty will soon be made available inside the DD bounty board. So if you're a DD member, make sure to sign up quickly as applications for this hackathon close on Monday, March 11th. Remember the blackjack game we talked about last week that Bomb & Sign released? Well, another AO developer, I Am Game Lover, created 30 AI agents to simultaneously play blackjack. This is only scratching the surface of what is capable inside of AO. At this moment, it's only AI agents playing blackjack, but in the near future, it's AI agents autonomously working in the economy. Now, remember when I mentioned meme frames? Meme frames are atomic assets where the process ID and the metadata of that meme frame are atomically linked together by a unique ID. This unique ID can actually be used in a browser to pull up the contents of the meme frame, as well as inside of the AO Block Explorer to see the state of the contract and the interactions with the same meme frame. Now, each meme frame is made up of a DAO and a token that can be minted with Testnet cred. The contents of the meme frame, which is essentially a decentralized iframe/web page managed by the meme frame's DAO token holders, can only be changed through voting by those same token holders. Essentially, meme frames are a community managed web page where the token holders can control, create, and collaborate on the contents of that web page that are directly tied to an ARNS name, making their pages very easily shareable to the public. Last but not least, things are really heating up with quests, games, and overall activity inside of AO. There are now 12 active quests inside of AO, each of them earning you Testnet cred upon completion. 2 new games were just shipped, completing the game development quest for 2 AO developers, and overall activity continues to create new all-time highs. AO officially crossed over the 2 million messages sent since the launch of Testnet only 3 weeks ago, and there are now 700 active processes running in parallel. That's it for today's episode of the Testnet Show. I'm your host, Patrick Skinner, and if you're looking to get involved with the AO Testnet, then head over to the AO Cookbook at cookbook_ao.rweave.dev. And until next time, I'll see you in the machine.